Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to explain to you the process for which I want you to do this. You, on your notebook paper, are going to start by writing out every problem that you missed from test 6. So let's say you missed 2, 5, 7, 11, 12, 15, and 19. These are the problems that I'm going to expect for you to do corrections on. Okay, so what's going to happen for you to earn points on these corrections, I have a video for each problem that's going to give you step by step how to solve it, but for you to get correction points for that problem, you have to do your own just like it. So you're going to draw a straight line. Let's make it a straight line. You're going to draw a straight line right down the middle of your paper. And if you show your work here and it takes you half a page to do it, that's fine. So number 2, here's all my work. Okay, once I'm done showing all of my work for that one, I'm going to draw another straight line. The extra problem is what they're called. I have 1 extra, 2 extra. That's how I titled them. So 2 is the original, 2 extra should be right next to it. And it should be right next to it because it's almost the exact same problem. It's just I duplicated all of the problems and changed some numbers so that you have to do one on your own. For you to get correction points for number 2, both of these have to be correct. If they're not both correct, no correction points for number 2. Okay, but like I said, the originals, which is what should be down this side, this is all the originals, should be on the left-hand column. These are the extras, and they're down the right-hand column. So the reason that I did this way is so that you have an example, and then you do it on your own following the exact same process. So the original, the extra. The original, the extra. You only have to do the ones you missed, but you need to make sure that these numbers are right, because when I go back through, if you leave some of them off here, I'm not even going to grade it. Okay, I want a complete assignment. If you don't get all the way through the ones that you missed, that's fine. None of the questions are set as required questions, so you can just submit it and then pick up where you left off, which your work will show you where you left off. So say you did a couple pages worth, but you ran out of time and you were on number 15. Whenever you start it again, you just start at number 15 and you'll submit 2 separate forms. Okay? Alright, so let's go ahead and actually I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So this is the corrections, and at the beginning you can see, let's get to it. Okay, so I have number 2 extra. So if you miss number 2, I'm going to show you how to do this one. You're going to apply that same concept to this one. Same thing here. Look how similar these are. They're set up exactly the same. The signs are the same. The numbers are just different. Okay? So all the way through, that's what's happening. I'm going to do the originals with you, and you're going to do the extras on your own. Okay, so let us get started.